Hey guys, so now I'm going to show you guys all of the things that I got from Etude House. I don't have the Etude House bag, but because it got spoiled, so I just threw it in this bag. So I'm just going to show you guys all of the things that I got from there. All of the prices again would be listed somewhere here, so you'll know. First thing that I see is my Beauty Tools stippling brush that I got from Etude House, and it's a face brush in number 160. It's a duo fiber one, and I don't have a duo fiber brush, so I just got this one. The item that I got is the Any Cushion All Day Perfect cushion, like a foundation cushion in the shade Tan. This is how it looks like. It has SPF of 50 plus and PA triple plus. Facing with a lot of breakouts on the sides, I thought of trying their AC cleanup line. So I have this liquid patch that the salesperson asked me to wear whenever I'm going out, so that other pollution and things like that do not clog my pores or sit on my breakouts. And I got this pink powder spot that I'm supposed to use twice a week just on the problematic areas to heal them. So I got this concentrated product from their AC Clinic line, made especially for breakouts and pimples. Next thing that I got is the Precious Mineral Compact. This has an SPF of 30 PA double plus, and I absolutely love this. I started using it the day I purchased it because I didn't get a compact with me while I came to Singapore. And as you guys know, Singapore's weather is really humid and it's quite hot there. So my face starts feeling really oily and weird. So that's why I just got this. This is how it looks like. It comes with this puff, and this is the product. This compact is in the shade Tan again, which is the darkest shade in the line. Then I got this Red Energy Tension Up pack for my mother. So this is that anti-aging range, and this reveals to have all of these items: essence, toner, emulsion, and a cream. So I got this for my mother, and I also got 3 single eyeshadows from them. So one is in the line Cashmere Fit, so I got this one. Then I got their Look at My Eyes eyeshadow in this again, like a nice brown shade. Then I got one of their glittery jewel Look at My Eyes eyeshadow, and this is how it looks like. Yeah, if you guys want to see a tutorial of me using any of these, or if you want me to review any of these products, then definitely let me know in the comments down below. Then the next item that I got was this Rosy Tint lips by Etude House, and this is in the shade 5017. This is a nice brownie color, like a nice natural color that I absolutely love. Comes in this nice sponge tip, so you're supposed to squeeze out the product and then apply it on your lips like so. Then I got these 2 lip tints from the line Dear Darling Tint. It is one of the popular lip tints. I just wanted to try these 2 shades for myself. So this is in the shade 0R201, which is a nice reddy orangish color, and this is in the shade PK002. Then I also got this Drawing Eyebrow Duo from Etude House, which is in their darkest color. So on one side there's powder, on the other side there is a pencil. So this is how it looks like. And I also got one lipstick from Etude House, and it is in the shade BR421. This is how it looks like. And I got the Be My Universe casing for it, and they threw a few samples. So they gave in the Honey Cara sample, they gave this sample, and with this we're done with the Etude House segment of this video again. I'll see you guys in my next one. See ya!